up, you guys? It's your girl Denise. Welcome back to Trucking and Budgets. So the last video I made was in July, I think it was July 15th. It is now August 10th. So what have I been doing? Just working and not doing my videos like I should be. But we're just going to continue on from the previous video and trying to catch up. Okay, so the videos I'm going to be making, I made some videos, but I haven't posted them. So I'm just going to keep posting them until I catch up to basically today's date. So I have been spending, but I haven't been like budgeting it and recording it. So I already did groceries, so that's going to get stuff next time. Let's see. Next is gas. We're gonna be stuffing 50. Y'all, guess what? My envelope still ain't came in the mail. I think they don't deliver to my address, I'm guessing, because even I ordered from somebody else and they don't order, it doesn't deliver to my address for some reason. I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna stick to Amazon, okay? So dining out is getting $20. Okay, so that's it for this, the variable expenses binder. So we're gonna be stuffing $36. Wait, before I do that, I need to take out the $31 from the savings challenge that I forgot to stuff last time. So it was $31, and what was the other? And $15 for the new savings challenge that I'm doing. So we're gonna stuff $36, 20, 35, and 36. So now in savings we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. Deposit gets 25, 20, and I am out of 5, so I'll have to dig in the ones. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And okay, so 20. Now in deposit we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Y'all excuse me, I have to get used to stuffing with nails on. Just trying to look a little decent for the camera. Emergency gets 15, 10, and 5 ones. Yeah, so how have y'all been coming along with y'all savings or budgeting? Have y'all even started, or what's going on? So now emergency has 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I gotta fix my bills. They're all over the place. But I was just trying to make a video because I am very well behind. Insurance gets nothing. Now with insurance, I'm getting a whole new policy because the one I have now, it's not, it ain't covering nothing. So I'm gonna have to get a whole new policy. Carter Bear gets $10, so she now has $20 in her envelope. Car maintenance gets 20. So car maintenance now has 20, 30, 35, 40. depth gets $20. So now depth has 30. Sorry, I hear my neighbors. I'm being nosy. Prada, chill out. Personal gets 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The bank has been giving me some janky dollars. Like, this one looked like it was on fire. Sorry if you hear noise in the back. Prada is doing her own thing. We're gonna skip clothing for right now because I don't have change. Okay, car. This is for a car note. I'm trying to get like a month ahead on it, so we're gonna be stuffing $50 for this one. And receipts, I already have scanned in my Fetch Rewards. I'm gonna link my code so you guys could sign up, get you some points, and get you some free gift cards, okay? Okay, remember I said I was gonna add, oh wait, let me do this. We're gonna do our $100 savings challenge. 1s and 5s gets nothing right now. So what was, in the last video I was supposed to add $31, right? So this is why I took out the side money for this savings challenge. And we're gonna add to it. Oops, we're gonna add, we're basically done with this challenge. Like, I've been had $100 saved, I just never recorded it. So I'm just showing that I'm adding the previous money from the last video. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38 was what was supposed to be in this binder. But now we're gonna finish. Let me put this off to the side. We're gonna finish this challenge today. So let's calculate how much I need to add to finish. Okay, y'all, I'm interrupting this video because I forgot to color in the savings challenge. So you're gonna notice things are different because this is a different day. So let me just calculate. Oh, also, I was out of frame in that whole video, so I'm sorry about that. So I'm still trying to get the camera angle good to where y'all can see everything. Don't mind those janky dollars over there. But let me just calculate all of these numbers.
You'll see in the rest of the video. So we got 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4.
We're complete. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Okay. So this challenge is completed. $50, $70. 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So what I'm going to do with this money, I'm going to stuff it in my emergencies. I'm going to stuff this money in... Let me see. Should I do emergencies? No. I'm going to stuff it in my deposit. Because I'm trying to get an apartment right now. Okay, let me get organized. So now deposit has 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 150. Okay. So right now, I have another savings challenge book I'm gonna use. And we are going to stuff $15 in this one. So we have a 5. So we have a 5 in this one. Next is the $10. I'm just all over the place. Okay, $10. So we have 15 in our $300 savings challenge book. 1, 2, 3. We have $3 left over, so I'm gonna add that in my ones savings challenge. I'm just gonna count this at the end of the year. Until then, I'm just gonna keep stuffing. Okay, so that's it for that savings challenge book. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.